Hello everyone, my name is candra.diningrat, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this Mitsubishi Xpander using Siemens NX. So let's jump to the video. Okay, to begin with, I need to create a catch polyline and extrude it using extrude catch command to create the initial shape of the hood and adjust some position or a shape using transform gauge. And I add more surface again, but before I doing that, I need to create some guide first using gauge polyline again here to meet the or to follow the raster image. Okay, I need some guide again here or some profile using the cage polyline, and then now I'm ready to create this surface using sweep cage. And I add more surface again here using the same step, using the cage polyline as the guide, or maybe some as the profile. And I'm ready to add more surface again here. Create some adjustment using transform cage, and need to connect this. I need to delete this cage polyline first and add more cage polyline here. Okay, I need to sweep this surface. Okay, get some guide first, and then I need to get some adjustment again, and I add the surface using sweep kit and close this surface using fill surface. Now I have this surface, this wood surface, and I continue to add more surface again here using same step. Again, I use the catch boolean as the profile or maybe as the guide. For example, in this case, I use the catch boolean for the profile. Then I sweep this some cage face first, and then create some guide again here using cage polyline, and I create some the surface using sweep cage, and now I add some split face to modify some radius. Okay, now I'm ready to add more surface again here. I need to delete it first and then create new surface here. And now I want to add more surface again to create some pillar shape. Using sweep cage again, and add more surface again here, and then but I need to add more guide here using cage polyline. There's some adjustment using transform cage again from the top side, and then I'm ready to add surface using sweep cage. Now I want to add more surface again here near to the front fender area using a load cage, and again add more surface again here, but before I doing that I need to create some guide using cage polyline here to meet the or to follow the raster image. Okay, I create some surface here. I need to add more guide again here little bit using cage polyline and adjust some position using transform cage, and I'm ready to add more surface again here using sweep cage. Okay, I add more surface again here, using the cage polyline as the guide. And I need to create some strategy here to meet the raster image. So I need to create this cage polyline first, this two cage polyline as the guide, and then I want to sweep this cage edge using sweep cage command. And I need to split this face, connect this face together, and fill this face um, using fill surface command. And I extrude this surface, of course, to meet the or to follow the raster image, and I've got this surface. And I extrude this surface downward and this sketch edge to the side area or inside direction, and change some catch edge radius using set width command, adjust a little bit the position using transform cage, and I connect these two surfaces or catch edge using shoe cage. Okay, modify again some cage edge using set width command, and I add more surface again near to the front fender area, and I connect these two surfaces or two catch edge using locate command. Okay, I need to modify this catch edge first, and I've got surface like this, and I continue to add more surface again in this area. I want to extrude this catch edge first because I need to create some straight direction. I connect this to cage edge or cage vertices using sweep cage, or I mean using cage polyline, and then I connect this to surface using sweep cage command. And I ready to add more surface again for this area, for this for some headlamp. Before I doing that, I need to create some profile using cage polyline again here, and adjust some position uh, using sweep. I mean using transform cage, and again some adjustment again using transform cage following the raster image. Okay, a little bit adjustment again here following the raster image. Okay, when I certified, I'm ready to connect this to cage edge using load cage command. And I modified some cage edge using set weight to modify the radius, and I've got surface like this. And I'm ready to add more surface again uh, to the area, to the front fender area. And to fulfill this front fender area, I need to create some guide again using cage polyline, and just some position a little bit using transform cage. And I need to sweep this cage or cage polyline a little bit, and then I'm ready to connect these two surfaces together using load cage command, and set the segment to true, and I create shape like this. Yeah, some concave shape. I need to transform it a little bit and change some cage edge to the sharp condition using a set continuity command, and I got a surface like this. And I continue to add more surface again here, again I need to create some cage polyline as the guide, create some surface using sweep gauge, and I connect these two surfaces again using sweep gauge, change the continuity, and add more surface again in this area. Okay, again I use the cage polyline as the guide, sweep this surface and adjust a little bit again to using transform gauge, and add more surface again using the cage polyline as the guide. Okay, I need to adjust the position a little bit here and sweep this surface and add more surface again in this area and adjust the position a little bit again using transform gauge, following the raster image, of course. Okay, with the same step, same strategy, same workflow, I've got surface like this. Okay, all the surface has been created using the same step, using cage polyline as the guide, and then extrude it or sweep it using sweep gauge. Okay, and I continue to add more surface again in this area, still in the front fender area. Just a little bit the position using transform gauge, and split this face a little bit to meet the shape of the real shape, and I extrude this gate or sweep this gate using sweep command, and I'm ready to add more surface again at the top area, top side area, using sweep gate command, and I need to adjust this position a little bit since transform gate, and I need to split this face to add more curvature here a little bit. Okay, that's enough. And to fulfill some surface in the front fender area. Now I continue to add more surface again here using sweep case, of course, and I continue to add more surface again here. I need to split face a little bit, adjust some cage vertices position using transform cage, and then connect this to cage edge using load cage command. And I continue to add more surface again here. Again, I use the gauge polyline as the guide. Okay, just the position a little bit, following the real photo or real pictures of this car, and I sweep this surface using sweep gauge command, and I add more surface again. So there are some concave surface in this area, so I need to adjust the position a little bit here, and I connect this to surface again using load cage command. Okay, connect again using load cage command. Okay, I add more surface again at the bottom area and split some cage face as necessary, following the upper surface, of course. And I sweep this surface using sweep cage command. Okay, just a little bit position here to meet the raster image, of course. And I add more surface again here to connect or to fulfill some surface. And I need to split this surface a little bit and connect these two surfaces together using love gate command, and I split this surface again because I need some curvature shape here, so I need to split this space and fill out this surface opening using fill surface command. And now I ready to add more surface to this rear fender area. Using the same step, I use the case polyline as the guide again and connect these two polylines together using love cage. Surface like this. Okay, I create some adjustment here using transform cage, and I add more surface again here and create some cage polyline as the guide. Split this surface again as necessary and modify this surface a little bit using transform cage to create some concave surface in this area, same like the front fender area. And I swipe this surface using swipe command, and I do the same to the other side and add more surface again using the same step here. Okay, let's add more surface again here using the same method. Create some case polyline as the guide following the raster image and adjust some cage vertices or points using transform cage again. And create some surface here using sweep cage command. And let's add more surface again here using simply using love cage, and I need to create some protruding shape here, and I add more surface again in this area. Okay, sometimes I need to split some cage face because I need to meet some curvature in this area, for example. And I add more surface again here using a sweep cage command. Okay, everything is same, yeah. The workflow is same, almost same. Now I want to extrude this surface inside and connect this surface together using a shoe cage and adjust some position using transform cage. And I add more cage polyline again here to create some surface following the raster image, of course. And I use the cage polyline as the guide to create some surface using sweep cage command. Again, I add more cage polyline again following the raster image, create some sweep cage command here, and I've got a surface like this one. and add more surface again. For example, this one I create the cage polyline as the profile and create the surface using sweep cage command. Of course, after this, I add some modification or some refinement, of course. And in this step, I just show you the general step, so not very detailed. I still need more adjustment here, but everything using same step, of course. And I add more surface again in this area. Again, I use the gauge polyline as the guide now and create some surface again using sweep gauge command. Okay, adjust some position using transform gauge and split some gauge face using split gauge command. And I add more gauge polyline again here. For this case, I use the gauge polyline as the profile, of course. And I connect these two surfaces together using split gauge again. And I add more again surface here using same step using sweep gauge, and again I need to create some gauge polyline as the guide and add more surface refinement or add more surface one by one. Okay, add some adjustment here and create some surface again. Here I need to refine the gauge polyline first and create the surface using sweep gauge. Okay, of course after this I still need to add more refinement in that area, but the general step is the same. And I connect these two surfaces together using shoe cage command. Yeah. Okay, I need to create and more surface again here. I need to extrude a little bit some cage edge because in this area there are some concave shape. So I need to create the extrude. I need to extrude a little bit to inside area, and then I'm ready to connect these two surfaces together using locate command and fill surface. And I add more surface again here following the raster image, and now I'm using extrude gauge and transform gauge, and again I add more surface again using extrude gauge now because I need side direction to the x-axis, and do some split face to meet the curvature, and add more surface again using sweep gauge for in this case. Okay, adjust a little bit position using transform gauge, and I extrude this gauge using extrude to the x direction, and I connect these surfaces together using surface command. Again, just position a little bit following the raster image and split these surfaces following the upper surface, and everything using the same step. Okay, and now I'm going to create the windshield surface, but before I doing that I need to create some surface here using sweep gauge. So there are some uh, surface that I need to create first, and I need to create this surface again, using a sweep gauge, just a little position using transform gauge, and I need to create the some little surface from the rooftop. Again, I need to create the case polyline as the guide. Okay, let's start. Let's try to connect these two surface together using sweep gauge. Okay, there are some mistakes. Okay, I need to create some surface a little bit at the top area. And now we are ready to create some surface, the windshield surface using sweep gauge. Okay, let's try. Okay, I need more guide again here to meet this or to follow the raster image, of course. So I'm ready to add the windshield surface using a sweep gauge command. Okay, good. Now I do some modification at some catch edge using set continuity command and set width command. Now we are ready to create more surface again, and this one for the root of creation is the simple one. Just create by using a sweep page command and add maybe some guide using gauge polyline and create the surface again using sweep page. So this is a more simple surface to create. Okay, and I add more surface again here, still in the rooftop area. Again, I need some case polyline and just some position again using transform gauge to follow the raster image, and I add more surface again using sweep gauge command. Now I need to create some shape here at the spoiler area using sweep gauge. Okay, I need to adjust a little bit here. Okay, and let's try to create some surface again using sweep gauge. Okay, looks good. And I add more refinement to the some edge using set width command, of course, and I add more surface again here, and following the raster image, adjust the position, and I add more surface again here using casual and as the profile, of course, and this edge as the guide, and I adjust some position here, some position of cage vertices or cage uh, point using a transform gate to follow the raster image. And I continue to add more surface again here, again using a combination of cage polyline and sweep gauge command. And I connect these two surfaces together using glove gauge. And using the same step, I've got these surfaces, everything using the same method. Okay, let's add more surface again. Okay, for now I need to create the pillar in this area, and I just need to connect these two cage edge using love cage and set the some cage edge continuity or cage edge weight using set weight command or modify some radius. I mean, and again I add more pillars again here but I need to modify some cage face here, and I ready to connect these two cage together using loft gate command, and I add more segment again here to follow the raster image shape, of course. And I fill out this surface using fill command, yeah, and adjust some gauge edge using set weight command, of course. Okay, using the same step, using the same method, I've got these all surfaces. So everything is same way, same, or the method is same, and this is all the result, my end result, and this is the true shading view. And I show also the page, and this one I turn off the face edge, so you can see this is my result, end result. Okay, in the true shading view. Okay, after this we are ready to do some rendering. So I've prepared the material and lighting and scene, and we are ready now for rendering process. Yeah, rendering process. Now this is the example for a rendering process. Just a simple rendering with the plain background using the sun scene, the default scene on NX, of course. And these are my rendering results. So, for example, this is for the indoor render, and these are for the outdoor render using the external HDRI files, of course. And this one also another examples. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.